Hey guys, welcome. My name is Ravi, and in this video, I'm going to tell you four reasons why you are stuck as a sales professional and why you're not getting the desired result. And this video will change the game. I'm telling you. So the first reason you are not getting the result because you don't have right mindset. Second reason, you lack some skills which you need to learn in sales. And third reason, you don't have a proper system which can help you to run your business and drive your sales. And fourth reason, the lack of proper physical stamina and energy management. So let's talk about the mindset. When it comes to mindset, under the mindset there are four aspects you need to work on. The first sign, if you don't have right mindset, it means you don't have right goal. That's it. You don't have right clear defined goal, that means you don't have right mindset. Second thing, you are wasting too much of time on distraction. You're not able to focus yourself, so you're distracted all the time trying to do many things, and at the end of the day you are like frustrated because you're not able to achieve anything. Third thing, you're not planning and prioritizing yourself. So because you don't plan and prioritize yourself, you become victim of other people plan and priority. Correct? That's the point number 3 of not having right mindset. And the fourth sign of not having right mindset is like you are too much dependent upon your emotion and mood. Rather than doing what you are supposed to do, which require to grow your business and sales, you are dependent upon your mood. When you feel like it, then you'll do. That's why you don't have right mindset. Now come to the point number 2, that's called right skills. So the first skills you don't have, that's called how do you make phone call. That's called having the phobia of making phone call. Second thing, people have phobia of meeting new people face to face. That skill you need to learn. Third thing, you don't develop the skill to ask the right questions so that you can find out that the person is right for you or not to do the business. You don't qualify them because you don't ask the right questions. And fourth thing, how do you handle the objections? Closing is nothing except handling the objection and asking the right question. That's the closing. So these are the four skills. If you don't have, that's why your sales and business is not growing. Third part, that's called having the right system. The first thing in system you need to have the system to get the right quality prospect and lead so you can do the business with them. How do you attract and generate quality prospect for yourself? Second thing, your follow up mechanism. You know what people do, they meet somebody and then they forget what happened on the meeting. People don't have a system, a follow mechanism where they can put the record of customer क्या discuss हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, so that you can follow them after some time or a proper time and you can close them, right? Third thing, people don't have a closing mechanism, that how you are going to close them and how you can get them the business. So three things you need to have in the system. Number one, generating quality prospect lead. Number two, follow up mechanism. Number three, closing mechanism. And the fourth thing, lack of proper energy management and physical stamina. Yeah. So inside that, the first thing, you are wasting too much of your energy on doing those things which are not required at all, and you are getting exhausted on a small thing which are absolutely not required. Right. Number two, you don't have a proper mechanism, a methodology to track your eating, to track your sleep cycle, what to eat, what not to eat, how to do exercise, how to fall a system so that you can do exercise whether you like it or not. So these are the four major thing in life. If you don't have it, your sales will struggle. Number one, the right mindset. Number two, having right skills. Number three, having a proper system. And number four, getting into the proper physical management. Now, if you think that you want to grow and you want to understand how these four things can work for you and your sales and business can grow, then I have helped so many people. What I'm offering you, you can schedule a free sales growth discovery session with me for free of cost for only limited period of time. And on that sales discovery call, I will tell you, show you the path, the proven model which has helped so many people of my clients, that how they have been able to overcome the challenge and how I help them to set up the system for themselves and they multiply their sale by up to 5 times, 10 times. So click on the link below and schedule a discovery session with me. On that session, I will show you how your sales can. Right now